Hi guys, welcome back to Bella's Big Adventures. Today we're setting off from where we finished our last video. Heading home from Danubiana Art Museum, we decided to stop off in Rzeszówce to check out a hidden gem. So stay tuned to see what we found.
Cards.
Beautiful. Reconstruction of the church into a cafe. The manor house and its grounds in Rzeszówce has a long history, dating back to the 13th century. Its current neo-Gothic or Windsor style dates from the mid-19th century, when the property was bought by Count Elmir Launay and his wife Princess Stephanie of Belgium. They bought it in 1906 and owned it until around 1945. In the time of their residence, Rzeszówce and the castle were actually part of Western Hungary. The family remained there until the advancing Red Army forced them to flee their estate. They found sanctuary in Pannonhalma Arch Abbey with the Order of St. Benedict. Following the Count's death in Budapest in 1946, the house was bequeathed to the order. In 1947, due to the Paris Peace Treaty, Hungary had to cede the area to Czechoslovakia. The then communist government seized the premises. Lengthy legal battles ensued. The house and grounds have slowly deteriorated, which is sad, but it's also constantly increasing the renovation costs. The current estimate is believed to be in the region of 75 million euros. Kind of spooky. Reminds me of a Doctor Who episode. The interior of the castle has some beautiful wooden panelling, ornate plasterwork and stained glass, as can be seen here in the Knight's Hall. Hello? Are you related to a corgi at all? Whoop, little dog. Whoop. That's one hell of a big window at the back there. In 2018, archaeologists set to work and uncovered the foundations of the 16th century manor house. It was located in the courtyard and fountain area in front of the current mansion, the original cellars of which still exist. Look at all that mistletoe, making the tree look like it still has leaves. Arborists have worked for almost a year carrying out maintenance work to secure the trees in the park. It was initially hoped that little intervention would be needed, but in the end 480 trees were deemed unsafe to the public and had to be cut down, and another 1,000 were pruned. Several large trees were left as living torsos to give shelter to wildlife, including the rare great Capricorn beetle, bats and European stag beetle. The Launay family also had built the neo-Gothic water tower, a multi-level terrace garden, often incorrectly called a Japanese garden, with wooden pergolas, as well as terraces connected by stairs and lined with box plants at the south wing of the manor. Straight on, Belle. Heading back towards Bratislava.
Please keep right in 300 metres and follow the 2.
With Mrs. Sacknag in the background. Watch this yellow sign, because you've got to turn right here after the barrier, which looks like it's closed but isn't. Just to confuse matters. And then straight on through the border. In effect, we're crossing into Austria, but this is the way they're directing the traffic, so... And then we've got to go right. We get to drive through the actual barrier. Ah, that is cool. Hope you've enjoyed exploring this hidden gem in a small village on the outskirts of Bratislava. If you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and add a comment. If you haven't had a chance to catch any of our videos yet, please feel free to click on one of the links on the end of this video. So from me, Doug and Bella, bye for now. Thanks for watching.